Ben, a lot's happened to you in the last week.
Yeah, it's been a big shock from what I've been used to, but it's great to be involved in this Welsh squad now.
I suppose you haven't had much time to think about it because of the injury to Neil Taylor, and then suddenly you're thrust into that match against Sunderland, and then you get the call up into the Welsh squad.
Yeah, it's not under the best circumstances with Neil getting injured, and we all wish him the best, but it's a great opportunity for me now to show what I can do.
In terms of joining up with the squad, were you a bit nervous?
Yeah, but they made me feel very welcome, and it's a great squad to be around. There's lots of good players here, and they're all very friendly.
Do you have to pinch yourself sometimes, or is the fact that you have played in the first team now at Swansea, has that helped you, do you think?
Yeah, definitely. It's given me the experience of playing week in, week out, and just to be involved with this squad is a great opportunity for me.
What sort of feeling have you had about the squad ahead of this game against Belgium? Because it's a huge game, isn't it?
Training's been good, and all the boys have been working hard, and we look like a strong side, I think, and I think we'll hopefully be able to get a result on Friday.
And saying about looking a good side, you could say the same about your club, Swansea. It's been a fantastic start to they say about the second season, the Premier League is the difficult one, but so far so good, although it's still early days.
Yeah, but so far we've had a great start, and to pick up 7 points, I think, the first 3 games, and even the point we picked up against Sunderland was a good point, especially going down to 10 men and losing Neil early on. But yeah, we've just got to keep it going and keep the momentum we've got up.
And in terms of these 2 games, I suppose the aim is it'd be fantastic to get through the 2 games against Belgium and Serbia unbeaten.
Yeah, I think that's got to be our main aim, is to hopefully put some points on the board and get a good start to this campaign.